Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. So welcome to another episode of the Microsoft Word series, and in this episode we're going to talk about the numbered list and the bulleted list. So let me create some items. So I created a list of items. Now you can select these items and click here on the bulleted list, and you're gonna have a bulleted list. If you click here, you will have some variations and some options. Let me show you here. You will have some options like this one here, this one here, and you can define a new bullet here. You will have a lot of symbols here. You can choose whatever you like. We have like this flower, this symbol here. Let's use this symbol and say okay, and you will have this symbol as a bullet. If you click here and you put your mouse on the last item and click enter, you will have a new item. You just write and you will have a new item. If you want to escape, click the back arrow here and you will escape from this list. And if you want to change the space between the text and the bullet here, just select the bullet here and right click and adjust list indents. And you have here that the space between our items and the bullets is a tab character, and you can make it, for example, a space and say okay, and you see that the space between our bullets and our text is just one space. So that's about the bulleted list. We can create a numbered list by just selecting our text and then clicking on the numbers, and you have a numbered list. And we have a lot of options here. We have the normal numbers, numbers with parentheses, the Roman numbers, the ABC, and the ABC in small letters, and the ABC with points and small Roman numbers. So that's about the numbered list. The same goes with the numbered list. You can click here and a new number will be added, and you write whatever you want and then click and we will have a new item. If you want to escape, click the back arrow and you will escape from the numbered list. If you are here and we create new items here, right? For example, let me create some items. And you select them and you click on the numbered lists, you're gonna continue numbering from here. It's 5 and then 6, 7, 8. So just click here and say restart numbering, and you're gonna restart numbering. So that's all about creating bulleted and numbered lists. And here, if you select the numbers and you right click, you can have here adjust list indents, and you will have here a space and say okay, and the space between our number and our item is just a space and not a tab. And you can select this and move this like this or move it like this. You can do the same with the top one here. So that's all about the bulleted and numbered list in Microsoft Word. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please comment them down below in the comment section, and stay safe.